Hi, today we're gonna make mussel with black bean sauce. So this is the mussel we're gonna use. It's from New Zealand, green cell mussel. Okay, take the cell off, just a meat, you know. So you can do is you take, you know, there are some piece in the bottom. You can hold on it. You take that out. So you just take it like that. Then because that piece kind of tough, you know that piece here, you know, just take it out like that. And that's it. You turn it on high. So that's the pan we're gonna use. So you wait until that get hot before you're doing any cooking. So that's the mussel we got here, and you just put the little cornstarch in it. Just that can seal the mussel a little bit so they don't get too dry, you know. So like that. Okay. So we put some oil in it. So it's hot right now, so you put the mussel in it. See like that. So you can see, you can browning them a little bit. It takes little time, but it will come to brown. You know, you can see they're brown here. So you just brown them up. When you see little brown, and you can turn that over. See the other side? See they're browning. See, you can see. See? You can see like that. See, you can see them browning up pretty good. It's about done. So you scoop this up. You clean up the pan, and it will not that much to clean up. You just wipe that off with a towel, you know. You don't stick that much on it, see? Alright. We also cook with some vegetables. We got some like gingers and onions and celery, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper on it. We always put the onions and the ginger in it first. Kind of brown them to get the flavor out. So half tablespoon of garlic in it, and 1 tablespoon of black bean garlic sauce. Just put it in first. So after that, you can see that kind of cook a little bit, kind of fry up a little bit. Then you put the other stuff in it. A tablespoon of cooking wine in it. Have a cup of water. We're gonna put the seasoning in, like a little bit of white pepper, just a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of crushed hot pepper. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half tablespoon of sugar. I think we need a little bit more water. Just put some water and a little cornstarch in it. Just a little cornstarch and little water. Then we're gonna put just a real small amount of, just a little bit, a little bit, cornstarch and water to make a gravy. Then I think that's about right. Guys. You can see them kind of thickening up, and you put this last thing in. Kind of cook a little bit until the gravy kind of cover everything, cover the mussel, and also all the stuff kind of make it even in there. So see, you can see them. Half tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. Okay, last thing we're gonna put it in is the cilantro. A little bit of green onion. Okay. But just to make with it is okay. So okay, this is mussel with black bean sauce.